Alright guys, today I'm about to put my new shower head in. It's a 6-inch luxury. Here's the old one. Real easy process. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one down. And all you need is your tape. And you're gonna wrap your tape right around here. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do that. Alright, so as you can see, I got it wrapped around that nice and neatly. New shower head. Alright guys, so I hand tighten it on. No leaks. How it shoots out, real easy. And these are the only two tools that you need. Got your tape and your pliers.